Feel affirmations slip away like mist. Bark rubbing changes that anchoring words through raw texture. Venture to an old-growth forest at dawn. Choose a tree whose bark calls, gnarled oak or resilient pine, symbols of unyielding strength. Press close, inhale the earthy scent. Let roots steady your resolve before words form. Position palms firmly on bark, fingers splayed to absorb its pulse. Rub in deliberate circles, friction igniting subtle heat that mirrors inner fire. Sync motion with slow exhales, dissolving doubt. This somatic link bypasses intellect, wiring intentions directly to subconscious via nerve endings attuned to nature's rhythm. Voice your affirmation clearly. I embody fearless abundance, roots deep in possibility. Repeat as bark roughens skin, each pass etching conviction deeper. Visualize golden energy flowing from core through arms into wood, tree absorbing and amplifying your essence. Tension melts, certainty surges, intentions now symbiotic with arboreal permanence. Conclude by stilling hands, forehead to bark, absorbing reinforced resolve. Step back, transformed. Affirmations no longer whispers, but woven into your being. Practice weekly. Track synchronicities as intentions manifest. This ritual leverages evolutionary instincts, making positivity visceral, potent, profoundly real amid modern disconnection.